Hello, welcome. We have a question on gradient. So, what is the gradient of the line with the equation 7x minus 5y plus 3 equals what, 0? In order to identify what the gradient of a line is, we rewrite the equation in the form, we have ax plus by plus c is the general equation of a line. And to find the gradient, we rewrite this general equation in the form y equals to mx plus what? Plus c, where in this case the a, b, c are all constant. So this number in front of the x is what we are calling the gradient. So if I'm having this as 7x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0, I just need to make y the subject from there by keeping the y as in minus 5y, transposing all other terms to the back of the equal sign. So this right here become negative 7x, positive become negative what? 3. And bear in mind, we are saying y has a coefficient of 1, and we are having negative 5 here. So we divide both sides by the negative 5. So this means that negative 5 divided by negative 5 give you what? 1. Then that give you times y, which is what? Y. Then negative 7 divided by negative 5 will give you positive 7 over 5x. Negative 3 divided by negative 5 will become positive 3 over what? 5. Where 3 over 5 is the intercept on the y-axis, and 7 over 5 is the gradient of this equation of the line. So let's check which one is going to be the right option. That is going to be the option what? A. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.